my suggestion would be do it.
Yep.
We were a little bit nervous before we came, you know, not quite sure.
Yeah.
No, it's absolutely exceeded our expectations, hasn't it?
And the two of the bikes are brilliant for two people without any problem at all.
Yeah, great
And,
suspension.
Yeah.
Perfect for the conditions.
As I've mentioned, I've got a full-time photographer on the back of my bike, so
Yeah, so I've seen. Doing a great job too, by the way.
And look, you see the real Vietnam, and you've got the best seat in the house.
Absolutely fantastic. I would recommend it to absolutely anyone. Anyone who rides a bike, what size, I don't care how big or small, get your ass over here.
The best. I've ridden across 5 continents. Today's got to be up there in the top 3.
Yeah.
Any riding I've done.
Yeah, it's quite spectacular, isn't it?
I think the problem is you ride along, you try and soak the scenery in, but oh God, it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Just beautiful.
Check it out.